Welcome to the Korean lesson for beginners. In this lesson, we will delve more into situations involving bargaining and asking for directions. There will also be special focus on the different currency denominations used in South Korea,
사장님,
which means a manager or owner or CEO or any major representative of a business.
사장님, 사장님. 운동화,
Which means sneakers or sports shoes, to be more specific.
운동화, 운동화. 좀 비싸요.
Which means it is a little expensive.
좀 비싸요. 좀 비싸요. 깎아주세요.
Which means please give a discount. Literally asking for a price cut in a polite manner.
깎아주세요. 깎아주세요. 그래요.
Which can have two meanings. In the rising tone, it indicates a question, as in, is that so? It can also be a response to acknowledge someone's statement, as in, I see.
그래요. 그래요. 알았어요.
Which means, all right. In a way of acknowledging someone's requirement.
알았어요. 알았어요.
Now, we will learn about the expression of money in Korean. In South Korean won, there are 6 denominations of coins, and 4 denominations of currency notes. Most importantly, 1 won and 5 won are in limited circulation in the current economic system.
1원,
Which means 1 won.
1원, 1원. 5원,
Which means 5 won.
5원, 5원. 10원,
Which means 10 won.
10원, 10원. 50원,
Which means 50 won.
50원, 50원. 100원,
Which means 100 won.
100원, 100원. 500원,
Which means 500 won.
500원, 500원. 1000원,
Which means 1000 won.
1000원, 1000원. 5000원,
Which means 5000 won.
5000원, 5000원. 만원,
Which means 10,000 won.
만원, 만원. 5만원,
Which means 50,000 won.
5만원, 5만원.
We shall slowly move on to the conversations. This is a conversation between you and the manager at the shoe store. You liked a specific pair of sneakers on display and asked the manager,
사장님, 이 운동화는 얼마예요?
Manager, how much do these sneakers cost? The manager was elated by your curiosity and replied spontaneously,
55,000원이에요.
It is 55,000 won. However, you were not pleased with the cost, yet, you still wanted to buy the sneakers. Hence, you responded to the manager,
좀 비싸요. 깎아주세요.
It is a little expensive. Please give a discount. The manager was very considerate of the customer's concerns and replied,
그래요. 알았어요. 5만원 주세요.
I see. All right. Please give 50,000 won. We shall have a look at the conversation one more time.
사장님, 이 운동화는 얼마예요? 55,000원이에요. 좀 비싸요. 깎아주세요. 그래요. 알았어요. 5만원 주세요. 어디서?
Which means where. Specifically defining a preposition.
어디서? 어디서? 의사,
Which means doctor.
의사, 의사. 만나다,
Which means to meet.
만나다, 만나다. 의사를 만났어요.
Which means meet the doctor.
의사를 만났어요. 의사를 만났어요. 어디서 의사를 만날 수 있어요?
Which means where can I meet the doctor?
어디서 의사를 만날 수 있어요? 어디서 의사를 만날 수 있어요? 1층,
Which means first floor, indicating the floor number in a building.
1층, 1층. 올라가다,
Which means go up.
올라가다, 올라가다. 1층으로 올라가세요.
Which means go up to the first floor.
1층으로 올라가세요. 1층으로 올라가세요. 약국,
Which means pharmacy.
약국, 약국. 약국이 어디에 있어요?
Which means where is the pharmacy?
약국이 어디에 있어요? 약국이 어디에 있어요? 지하,
Which means basement.
지하, 지하. 내려가다,
Which means go down.
내려가다, 내려가다. 지하로 내려가세요.
Which means go down to the basement.
지하로 내려가세요. 지하로 내려가세요.
We shall conclude this lesson with another conversation. This is a conversation taking place in the hospital, between you and a nurse. You are searching for the doctor's cabin, and ask the nurse.
어디서 의사를 만날 수 있어요?
Where can I meet the doctor? The nurse replied.
1층으로 올라가세요.
Go to the first floor. You thanked the nurse, and then proceeded to the doctor's cabin. After the consultation, the doctor handed the prescription of medications. Now you are trying to search for the pharmacy, and you happen to meet the same nurse, by chance. You take the opportunity to ask her again.
약국이 어디에 있어요?
Where is the pharmacy? The nurse once again gave the directions.
지하로 내려가세요.
Go down to the basement. We shall have a look at the conversation one more time.
어디서 의사를 만날 수 있어요? 1층으로 올라가세요. 약국이 어디에 있어요? 지하로 내려가세요.
Thank you for the patient learning. Stay tuned for more updates. If there are any doubts regarding the Korean lesson, please feel free to ask questions in the comments section.